Previously, you already do the exercise for this circuit. So now let's check your answer. So first is, this is the ground with the 0 voltage. Then you need to find A. So what is A? So positive minus negative. So A at a positive of your 2 volt voltage source, and the negative is a 0. 2 is equal to A minus 0. So A is 2. This is the answer. And then for B, you can see that this is a supply with the values of 5 volt. So positive minus with the negative. 5 is equal to V2 minus B. B is B2 minus 5. And then for the C, three is equal to, so positive is 0. 0 minus C. So C is minus 3 volt. And then for the D, here, Vs is equal to V1 minus D, and then D is equal to V1 minus Vs. So here is the answer. Okay. This is a general step for using nodal analysis. Step number 1, mark the essential node. Step number 2, choose a reference node, which is the ground. Choose the essential node that joins the most numbers of elements. For example, in one circuit, there is a node. You have to determine the branch for each of the nodes, and then determines the most numbers of branch, and then you can choose that branch to be a ground. And step number 3, after you identify the numbers of node, and then you have to assign the unknown nodes voltage by V1, V2, and so on. Step number 4, you have to decide on number of equation required. One node is equal to 1 KCL, and then one supernode will be equal to the 1 KCL combined with 2 loop plus with the supernode equation. And if the circuit consists of dependent source, either current source or voltage source, add another equation, which is, we call that as a constraint equation. But if the branch do not consist of R, no needs to do the KCL. Yeah. For example, if the circuit only consists of the voltage source, as mentioned previously, so the branch do not consist of resistor. It means that you cannot find current by using that only voltage source. And then the step number 5, which will be to performs the KCL at the selected node. And then for the step number 6, you have to calculate the node voltage using Cramer's or calculator. So here is some example in order to find or to determine the nodal or using the nodal. So this is the example of the circuit. You can see that the circuit consists of more than one node and then more than one loop. Assume that we are trying to find the voltage across and the current through all the elements.